Hello, and my name is William Wheeler from InvestCurb. And basically, what I wanted to do was I wanted to go over a small tutorial on how to create a VWAP setup in your charts in a TOS, Thinkorswim, TD Ameritrade flexible grid chart. But before I do, I just wanted to go over, before you use or rely on any information that's provided by us, we want you to know that trading is a high level of risk and you could lose some or all of your investment. So we just wanted to let you know that this is not a way to show you how to trade or basically giving you a suggestion to trade. Is just to inform you the way to set up your VWAP. And we're going to go over the flexible grid, which you see right here. And we have 4 charts that's set up. So that way, a lot of people ask us, how do you look at 4 charts at one time on Thinkorswim? So we just wanted to show you that. We have Kim, which is one of the ticker symbols, okay? And we also, we really don't want to go over price right here. This is not really a session for that. This is just going over how to look at your charts and understand VWAP is one of the highly used indicators in trading. So we have MAC, we have BGCP, as you can see right there, and we also have CPLG. So with that being said, we just wanted to basically give you an outline of how to set up 4 charts at one time, so that way you can have an idea. Besides just looking at one chart, you could look at 4. Okay, and I mean the importance of this is so that way you could basically be in your trades and you're looking at your charts at the same time. You have your 4 main tickers that you're looking at and you're studying when you're setting up your day, because there's nothing more important than basically setting up your strategy and how you plan on trade and what tools is actually out here to give you a hand with that. Okay, and one of the tools that's out here, to give you a hand with that is VWAP. So with VWAP, it's actually a volume weight, so it gives you an idea of when you're going to start seeing a bull and bear run. So we're going to type VWAP right here. We're going to double click on it. And as you can see, as the studies and strategies is going to show you price and your day. You have VWAP, you have upper band, you have lower band. Okay, so we're gonna show you actually what VWAP looks like without any changes or setups on it. And as you can see, it just follows the line of your candlesticks, and this only happens mostly when you're in the day. So we're going to change this day to a 5-minute or 1 minute, and now you can see your VWAP lines right here. And basically what it does is when your candlesticks are over the middle purple line, then you're in the bull, and when you're under, you're in a bear. But we're going to clear this up because, as most of the pros know, you don't like all the spaghetti on your charts. So you see your upper band right here. We're going to click show pilot, show bubble, show title. On your lower band right here, you have values. You also have draw as style width. We're going to leave that alone. Okay, we're not really going to touch that. Then you have your show pilot, show bubble, show title again. And what you're going to see is you're going to see the top line and the bottom line remove. You're going to click apply. And then you just have your VWAP line. Okay. So here, as you can see, as the candlesticks fall below the VWAP line, you're in a bearish state. Okay. And you can see sometimes where it is fighting to get above the VWAP line. So with Kim, right now, as we do this video, you could actually see how, the stock is somewhat bearish. You get a little bit up there, but you got to watch out for the fake outs. And it's down, goes up a little bit, little money there, then comes right back down under the VWAP. So this is actually used to help you with knowing which way to trade. And by watching this line closely, you'll be able to see if it's okay to go bullish or if you should stick to going bearish. Okay, and as we open up the chart just a little bit, not too much, sorry there folks, but you could actually see, with more space, how is giving you the information that you're looking for in regards to what state an actual stock is in, which is very important in a sense, okay? Because by knowing which state your stock is in is going to give you the information on how to trade it. And also remember, you got to be careful because sometimes these are happening within 5-minute or 1-minute time frames. So you want to be careful of trying to short like right here, because this is like really in a consolidated state. So you don't want to push the trade to go short, and then next it's going up on you, or vice versa. You could think you're ready to go bullish, and then you see the reds come in. So that's normally like a nasty state. But as you can see, when it's above the line, okay, then you see you got some room to make some money here, whichever way you're trying to set up your trade. So we're going to go down here to MAC, and we're going to go back into edit studies, type in VWAP again. And this training is really not to go really in depth into what VWAP is, like as far as, what it stands for and everything. We just basically showing you here how to set it up, and how to set up in a way that is easily to be read and understood. So we're going to go to MAC. We're going to go back to the day. Okay, these are your time frames. And we're going to switch it back to go to 1 minute. Actually, you see how it looks in the 1 minute. That's a very, very, bullish sign right there, which is pretty good during the market day, So you can see all that movement and how it stays above the line. Okay. If you bought it that low, it went up here. That's a good sense to buy, right? And you can see the movement. You see it's going above the VWAP. And as you can see, boom, 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 bullish. Okay, which is a plus. Now we're going to BGCP. You're going to edit studies. Okay, type in your VWAP. Double click on it. Go into the settings. Go to upper band, show pilot, show bubble, show title, we taking that out. Show pilot, show bubble, show title, taking that out. Okay, click apply. Then hit OK. You in the day. Remember the time frames. I remember when I first started doing it, I'm like, why is it doing that? And I look, and then I noticed the time frame wasn't changed. So you'll normally see VWAP perform the best when you're in the 5-minute and the 1 minute. And it's a good thing too while you're trading throughout the day, in the daytime, between 9:30 to 4, because it's very, very helpful with having an idea exactly where you're at in the trade, based on price. Okay, so upper band, take it out. Oh, sorry, take it out. Lower band. Okay, take it out. Take it out. Okay. Then you wanna hit OK right here. Now, it's very important to do that as well, because when you're doing it with the 3 lines, okay. Well, for us, it was just way too much. I didn't like it. Some people choose to keep it there. I don't. Don't forget to go to your time frame. Okay, time frame setup, day, 5 minute, and then boom. And you can see right there, okay, you can see a lot of times when it's above the VWAP, and a lot of times you might see it's below the VWAP. And I mean, this is a helpful hand to give you an idea of that when you hear certain traders, you know, as you're looking at your YouTube sites, I'm sorry, your YouTube videos, that sometimes they'll say, hey, the price is right above the VWAP or right below the VWAP, so I will watch that trade because it could go bullish or bearish on you depending on your setup. And you know, this is exactly what they mean. This is what most institutional traders are using as an indicator for price and where to place they trade. So you might hear, I'm going to place this trade at a price above the VWAP or below the VWAP. So, you know, this is just to give you a helpful